Change is one of the most complicated aspects of our lives, personally and professionally. To be sure, it's difficult, it's constant, it impacts every aspect of our lives. And although it's good for us, it creates opportunities for us, most people resist it. Hey guys, I am Devon Harris. You're watching Keep On Pushing TV. Welcome to 3 Keys in 3 minutes. And today I'm going to share with you 3 keys on how to embrace change. Change is happening whether or not we like it. In fact, today in our world we're experiencing unprecedented change. Businesses are adapting to customers' demands in order to stay relevant. Technology is moving at an astronomical rate. Everything is evolving. And for you and I to be able to not just survive but thrive in this changing environment, we too need to evolve. We must embrace change. So here are my 3 keys. 1, expect and accept change. If there's one thing we can be certain of, is that change is going to happen. It's a natural part of the life cycle. Your personal life, the life of your business or the company you work for, the life of the economy. It is going to happen. That's the reality. And so you either get to become an agent of change or a victim of change. So here are your choices. Expect it and accept it. Come to terms with it. Come to terms with the fact that things will not always turn out the way you would like them to turn out. In fact, you have to accept that you can never always anticipate things. You can never always anticipate the way things are going to turn out. So when you expect and accept the ever-shifting narrative of your life, it puts you in the driver's seat. It allows you to more effectively deal with change. It allows you to better deal with whatever life throws at you. Be optimistic. Knowing that change is a natural part of the cycle of life doesn't necessarily make it any easier to deal with, does it? So what you need then is a perception shift. You have to learn to be more curious and more open to the idea of change as opposed to resisting it. You see, the pessimist sees change as something that's threatening their current reality. And I am challenging you to be more optimistic, to see change for the potential it holds. See change for the chance, as a chance for you to learn and grow. And that doesn't mean that you are now settling for somebody else's idea of what your life should be like. What it means is that you are now ready or open to the idea of leaving your comfort zone, and in the process create an opportunity for you to achieve even more greatly in the future. Keep focused. Now, although change is constant and inevitable, it doesn't mean that it has to happen haphazardly or by default. It can be, and it must be self-directed. You may be confused about which direction you want to go in your personal life, or members of your team may be in disagreement about which direction everyone should go. Bringing your focus back to the vision you hold for the future instead of how things used to be in the past or even how they might be today is one of the most critical steps in helping you to effectively deal with change. So expect and accept change, be optimistic, and keep focused. I am Devon Harris, and if you like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to this channel. And while you're at it, check out my website, www.devonharris.com. And as always, keep on pushing.